Hey everyone, my name is Devin, and I'm a TALINO engineer here at SUMURI. Today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of how our dual boot system works on a TALINO workstation. This particular TALINO is set up with a dual boot configuration running both Windows and PALADIN. Switching between the two operating systems is super easy. Just a few clicks and you're good to go. So let's get started. First, power on your TALINO. As it starts up, you'll see the Grub boot menu. Here you'll have the option to choose between Windows and all your different PALADIN versions. Now let's boot into Windows. We're just going to select Windows from the Grub menu, and just like that, we're in Windows. Switching to PALADIN is just as easy. Just restart the system, and when the Grub menu appears, select PALADIN. Now you're in PALADIN. That's all there is to it. If you don't make selection, it will boot into Windows after 10 seconds. That's it. It's a quick and easy process and gives you the flexibility to run both systems on one machine. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.